Hi and welcome back to DannoDoes. In a previous video, we made acorn squashed and baked eggs. If you didn't see that video, we'll put it in the description below. But for today's video, we are going to be taking the seeds from the acorn squash and making acorn squash seeds. They're very similar to pumpkin seeds, but have a little bit of a different taste to them. Very delicious, very nutritious. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients, then we're gonna start cooking. I know your song was so. We need to strain them, get all the pulp out of the way, also known as the guts, out of the way. So we're gonna move over to our sink, set up our strainer, and we'll start getting our food ready. Okay, so I'm by my sink, I have my strainer in position. I'm taking my seeds and dumping them. 1 cup full of seeds is about 4 servings worth. So everything we're gonna do is approximately that. This comes from 2 acorn squashes, or squash eye, as I like to say it. So let's see how much it actually amounts to. Alright, it looks pretty good. I'm not going to worry too much about the small bits here and there. I got all the big chunks out I wanted to. And now what I need to do is going to move over to that plate with the paper towel on it to dry this off. Okay, it's patted out, it's fairly dry. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this off of the plate and paper towel. I'm gonna put it onto the tin foil on top of the baking sheet. All the seeds are now on the baking sheet. So what I'm gonna take that spatula to even them out as best I can so that there's only one flat layer of it. I don't like them being stacked on top of each other. Spread it out, you have the whole sheet to work with. Spoon. And I'm gonna drape it over all the seeds that I currently have out there. I'm gonna do 1 at a time. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon at a time. Nice and easy, and try to get as much of it across as I can. I continue to try to thin it out. We're gonna take that ½ teaspoon. We're gonna get some of the garlic powder that we talked about earlier. Get ½ teaspoon worth of garlic. And again, we're spread out across an entire sheet. So if we need to, we can use a little more. We just wanna make sure we get a little spritz across. And there we go, there we have it. We're looking pretty good. Now we're gonna take this bad boy, we're gonna throw it in the oven. Oven's at 325 degrees. We're gonna put it in there for approximately 20 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes, and here we go. There were a lot of popping off sounds coming out of the oven. I looked in there, it was very brown, so the seeds look like they're good to go. Ready to be eaten. At the 7-minute mark, I went in there with the spatula and I rotated the seeds so there'd be a good browning on both sides, but overall this looks wonderful. Should be a very tasty treat. And as you can see, it's about a cup, so